When your furnace goes out in the middle of winter, you're stuck scrolling through endless companies. Who's good? Who's priced right? Who's available? Then you find Chilll, snap a photo, and our AI identifies the device. Then we connect you with a live remote expert. They see exactly what you see and walk you through what to check. Minutes later, you've got a real estimate, and the choice is yours. We recommend a fix, either DIY help over video, or get a local 5-star pro to your home. If you want a local pro, we send the work to top-rated local companies. Companies we've vetted through our 8-point qualification process. They watch your video, see the issue, and bid on the work. You get the best price from great companies. When it works for you, a high-rated pro who knows the problem arrives at your home ready to get it fixed. And just like that, you're back to warm. Real help, real fast, really easy.